What is up, my beautiful family? We just gonna skip the intro. One of the most asked tutorials has been a Scythe, one of the two. So today we're gonna be doing a tutorial on it, and it's literally gonna take less than 5 minutes. And you only need 4 pipe cleaners, maybe not even that. So let's get into the video for the day. For this video, you're gonna need 2 colors, one for the blade, one for the hilt. Me personally, I love a good blue and yellow combo, so that's what I'm gonna use, but you can use any color you want, bro. Make it your own. Start by taking one pipe cleaner and then folding it halfway, so it's like this. Now in that middle section, you're gonna pinch it right here, and that's how you're gonna make that sharp look for the blade, because you don't want a dull weapon. Look at how sharp that boy is right there. Now let me walk you through this process so you don't get confused. You're gonna raise it like this. You're gonna make a little bit of a curve right here, but you're gonna want that thing to look pristine. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna make it look like that. It's gonna have a little bit of an arch at the bottom. This one's gonna be a little bit shorter of an arch than the top. My bad, video cut out. You're gonna make sure it's square right here, because this is where you're gonna attach the hilt. Kinda looks like a bird beak. Now right here, you're gonna take the string that crosses right here and you're gonna wrap it once, twice, and then we're gonna take it around through this part at the top, and we're gonna wrap it once. Make sure you're keeping that arch there. Twice. Make sure you're doing these tight loops so it's not super loose. See that? Now if it gets messed up a little bit, just fold it back. That's the beauty of pipe cleaners. If you got a little bit of access right here, you're just gonna wrap it up in there. Just wrap it like that. It's so easy, just wrap it away. Okay, let's make the hilt. Now you're gonna take a pipe cleaner, fold it in half the same way that we did before. You're gonna fold it like this, and at the very top, you're gonna pinch these together right here. Now watch this, because I know that there's a lot of pointy parts. You're gonna wrap it together once, twice, 3 times, and then right here, you're gonna fold this so the sharp piece is gone, fold the second piece so the sharp piece is gone, and then you're gonna finish wrapping it together. Just like that. And boom, we have the hilt. Let's combine them. So you're gonna take this and this, and you're gonna put them together like this. Take your next blue, and you're gonna put the tip right here with a little bit of access, and you're just gonna wrap it around this part. Once you got that, you're gonna take the rest of it and just wrap it all the way down. Now for the final step, you're gonna take a piece of yellow. This is the last piece you're gonna need. You're gonna take a little bit of the tip right here, fold it around the blade, and then watch this. You're gonna very gently wrap it all the way down. See how I'm pressing it? And you're gonna do this process all the way down. So it looks like that. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.